nyama apakashayikira vanhu vakawanda baba we aipa womuzimbabwe maye akakadeukira ropa rezimbabwe wona baba atinochemera Welcome to the program, the Zimbabwe Liberation Archives. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and every week we bring you an interesting interview with the war veteran. The aim is to talk about the liberation struggle, what happened, what are the stories, what are the memories, because it's important that we document our history and we learn about our history as Funubas Locus Kruma, World War, Labobanibani, and not talking about our history. So today in the program, we are going to be talking to retired Brigadier General Edgar Dube. His war name or his pseudonym was Lord Sibanda. He was in Zanla, and he will be telling us his journey and an interesting story. So Ubabu Sibanda is like Ubabu Dube, actually, not Sibanda. Ubabu Dube is like me, he's multilingual. So don't worry if we switch to Shona, Kalang, and Ndebele English, we can speak any of the languages because Tina Makalanga, we're that versatile. Babu Dube, welcome to the program. So you can use whatever language you feel comfortable with. But my first question to you will be, tell us briefly about your early stages. Where do you grow up and where do you go to school?
Okay. Ndebele. Ngazalelwa eDombodema. That was 1955. eDombodema clinic lapha. Baba engufati. Ufati ezalwa umhayi. Umhayi ezalwa ngumkhuweni. Kukhanya ukuthi bona umkhuweni wasuka eNswazi ebezohlala eDombodema ngoba yayimission wayebahlala khona. So mina ngayenza standard 1 yami, sub A yami eDombodema 1961. Ufati wayethethe umfazi wakhe ethiwa nguLizi, umntana kaMasipile. uMasipile ezalwa nguMatenge. 1962 sasuka laphana sesiyohlala kuTokwana. Ubaba lomama into zabo zazingahambanga kuhle, then sathi ngasesikhamba siyokhulila kumalume abakonleya. Ngafika ngaqalisa usabi kuTokwana up to grade 7 1970. Ngamenza ngo-1970. Ngathi ngisuka laphana ngayofunda eFrancis Town. Ngayenza uform 1 and 2. Isikole kwakuthiwa iSitlali Course. Sitlali Course was opposite iMartha's Bay College. Sitlali Course was nearer to the bridge there, and ngawuchapha uThathe River usiya that side.
Yeah.
And then from there I switched ngabe ngisebenza eCarpentry eLukhaba Center. That was 73 and 4. 74 ngathi ngasuka ngo-August 18. Into eyenza ngingene ku-struggle, ngithanda ukuya eBoreni. Lo umngane wami sasifunda sonke eLukhaba Center kwakuthiwa nguSamson Ngoni, izitswana but isekhala. Sichapha umfula kwakudla. I still remember kwakudlala uThafik eGU Abroni United sasidlala eFrancis Town. So sathi sichapha umfula laphana azange silandele ibridge sasikhambela. So there was a guy who was following behind. So uSamson siyaqoqela uSamson wathi kimi phela wena Edgar from Rhodesia ungayenza into enjenje. So that guy was behind wayesilalele sizikhulumela. So out of these two guys, there's one is from Rhodesia by then. So that's a couple of people lapana unto the Lawana, what you guys, I want to talk to you, especially Edgar, who is from Rhodesia, said, "Who is Edgar?" I said, "I'm Edgar." And then I said, "I'm Dick Moyo." Ngizicela uSamson asinike ispace nyana sixoxe. I was, no, I do a recruitment of abantu abafuna ukujoyina i-liberation struggle. I'm from Zanda. Isayiveni liyahamba lihambe liyezikolo and what have you, and then we use you in a later stage. I said, with pleasure, no problem. It was on a Sunday, I still remember, in August. Wabe sithi kimi uhlala ngabe ngihlala e-railways, ngihlala e-railways lo malume ubaba kuthiwa nguSamson Kwakuba. Wayesebenza e-railway engu-train guide. Wabe sesonza kubona nini, wabe sithi ngamithi kuwe uzangitshela ukuthi uzangibona. Wathi, right, let us meet on Friday. Sikhulume sibone ukuthi ngalokhu kanjani. Ngabe sithi ngaphi? Wabe sithi kwakulelo kuzeni e-town ingitshela ukuthi uzahlangana endaweni ethize le-railways and what have you. Ngabe ngihamba laphana sihlangana on a Friday. Wathi I think senze i-paperwork so that uhambe kuhle and then into zakhe ziphume kuhle khona. Ngabe ngithi siyangaphi ke khona? Wabe sithi siya epolice. Ngihambela nepolice, sasifike epolice laphana amapholisa ayesithi khona ngibuye le ndoda le ngifuna ukuthi liyenze ama-fingerprints this and that. Ngihambela one of the policemen wathi phela umfana lo ngiyamazi lo, sahlala sidlala lawo ibhola seseni-cover center. Wena Dick Moyo uzakuthi usirecruiter lamaTswana la. Wabe simbuza, are you not a Tswana? I said, no, Tswana. Kwase ngithatha ama-fingerprints laphana. Wabe sesiqede ama-fingerprints laphana, everything, ama-details. Wabe sifonela i-prisons siphandle. Wabe sithi kimi, you are no longer safe. Ngathi ngani? Because security wise I didn't know ukuthi utshoni.
Yeah.
But now that sengithatha ama-fingerprints and this and that, I think the only safe place is a prison. Ngihamba ngiyokufaka e-prison. Ngabe sengibotshiwe ngathi no, it's a procedure ukubotshwa. So ukuthi nxa usuka khona laphana and then siyakuthatha endaweni e-right and then usuke ungekabala. Ngoba ngakuyekela kunje uyakwazi ukukhephisha ngama-routines bakubuyisele ngale and then basuke bakubulala. Bana igerilla phela ngasoldiers. Anti with pleasure. Ilokuze imoto e-prisons yabuya. Ngathela phakathi lapha. Yena kasangeni sekungena ngito. Ngibona I'm now a prisoner la. Ngiyedwa imotela bengidrive ehambisela nge-prison. Fika laphana bengifaka ku-room. Ngakule bucket ekhoneni ukuthi khona ngizakusenza ibhaki. Nxa ufuna ukuya e-toilet uzasebenza lokhu. What le ndawo yokulala kwakulo kuyimethinyana okuncane sokwesingle. Kulapho uzalala khona. Okay. So ngahlala phakathi laphana Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning wabe phenduka. Lokuze laphana evula prison wadini laphana nangu ndoda lamjiya khona. Abese ngithatha ehamba la e-airport. Right. Wabethi kimi lapha ndoda phela you are no longer going to use the word ilokuzana ibizo lokuthi Edgar. Uzasebenzisa ibizo lokuthiwa Sando Rwanze. Ngaso kade lokuzini lapha. Ngibhale njalo ngathi okay. Ngikena lokuzini lapha eZambia. Siflya wena asesihle eLusaka. But ngambuza ngingakahambi ngathi nxa ngafike singehla ku-airport ngibona uzangihlangana wathi sengiarrange everything abantu uzawabona. Ibizo leli elokuze lizabe libhalwe okunye kulokuze kulamadoda bayabe bebhalile lokuzeni bebuya ku-airport laphana benza so.
So you are alone?
I'm one. Ngihla laphana ngibona nansiyani ibizo ke lana libhaliwe. Umuntu olithweleyo laphana ngu-late Major General Charles Dabulamanzi. Khathesi use-National Hero. Ehamba lo Justin Chauke bonke bayi-member zelokuze se-high command. Ngikhona la madodakana bekuye ayi-Sandro Rwanda, I said correct, bengithatha sesingena kunye kuyi-Land Rover, second hand amagorilla hamba sesilokuza lapha bekhuluma lami mina esishona ngangingasazi futhi for that time, so bekhulumisa ngesikhiwa. Sake siyofika endlini kaClytus Chigoe. Clytus Chigoe was a member of high command responsible the security. Fika laphana ngihlala laphana yayisisithi yayi-lunch time wali befika endlini kaChigoe laphana sengijoyina lamanye ama-comrades, kwafika i-ambulance, babe le-ambulance amagqibela ibiya lama-comrades bayolimala efront, abanye bebhandijiweyo. Of course there were other two bebesehlala kuChigoe laphana babeqamuke inyawo, ngiqamukile lapha seyifakwe hamba kuze lama-clashes. Sesikhulumisa laphana thi sendathi pheka ilunch sidla. Abantu abapheka ilunch laphana kwakungu Teurairo, the wife of the late General Mjulu.
Who is now Joyce Mjulu?
Joyce Mjulu. Lo munye kwakuthiwa ibizo lakhe ngaselingo. There were three, but uTeurairo ngamlokuza uTeurairo. Petsai nkazanya kwakuthiwa Petsai bantwana njalo kuze wasiphekela isadla. Sisadla laphana uJustin Chauke lo Charles Dabulaman lo Clytus basipokela behlezi emthunzini laphana thina sihlezi emthunzi lapha. I-hedge yakhona yayingandi yayifitshane, so kwabe kuyimota i-VW kwabe kuphuma indoda khona iyayidrayivela. Yathi iphuma indoda leyana isima sakhangela so sabona ngabona amadoda lana bengu-3 begijima besiya khona. I didn't know it was Herbert Stebo. Sifika laphana sisaluda unkalakatha. Thina sapha ngokusukuma like out of ama-comrades sasisukuma kade la bathi khona amashefu uyangaphethe baboneni nezomunye uthi no ucomrade Stebo mazi. Thina sasihlalela phansi kwakudlala ithoro khonapho silokuza. Wakhuluma leyo Stebo laphana wabuyela bazophenduka. Sase ama-comrades lana babevele e-hospital befanele bahambe efarm, abantu abaqinile laba, including myself. Farm yakhona was about 22 kilometers outside Lusaka, so bangena kulokuthi ngena sahamba. Athi ngifika efarm laphana, asala ukuthi efarm laphana kwakulondoda okuthiwa nguBethune, ngoye ngudeputy kundoda omunye okuthiwa Chikabangwe. Bangihamukela kuhle bangifaka kuma-comrades ema-recruits. Sisebenzise lalani lokuthi khona Sandro Rwanda, that was my name. Sasala 3 weeks. Every evening sasiya kulokuze political orientation. The third week kwase kubuya amalori amabili, i-Fiat yayi-light green le-Bedford yayi-greyish ezazithwala manje ama-recruits from Zambia to Tanzania for training. I-Fiat ngiyaqala ukugcwala and then i-Bedford yayilokhu sasikhanyisiwe abana amalokuze. So kwakule card box kwakubhalwe amabizo ayiphakathi lapha. So now siyongena emoteni leyana uyafika udobha ibizo lapha. Lapha sesihlangana phela lamanye amadoda ayebuye via Zambia from Zimbabwe lokuze bebuya through Mozambique.
Okay.
I mean ichaphu Zambia lokuze
From the Kariba side.
Yeah. And from the other side of the Caribbean. So we are to ibizo so gijima siya lapha. Ishiyeti lori lala seyidwe. Sekusala i-Bedford. I-Bedford manje seyilodwa laphana. Say halfway lami ngafika ngadobha ibizo laphana. Lena ukuthi Sandro Rwanda alisasebenze. Seliphelile la. Ngifika ngidobha ibizo ngikhangela libhalwe chapatika ngomahuru ophambi kwami abedobha uLothiswana
Yeah.
sesigijima sesiyongena ku-Elokuze lapha undololana wayelima unyawo wayegijima elokuza so bahle bathi wena stop where you are sesisale singu-3 ukuthi singena ku-Bedford kuthiwa lo phambili lona ngena wena phela ukhanya uyabulawa unyawo wena wathi ye abe sithi right wena osemuva wena uyisela ibizo lakho ulali batsho mina akuyisela ngawe faka ekhadibokisini babe sithi thatha ibizo londoda okhulayo lo
Yeah.
abe ngithatha ibizo lana ngabe ngibala ngathi Lothiswana kade ale alisoze ngilikhohlwe yikho lapho ngathola ibizo kuthiwa Lothiswana ngingena eBedford lapha abanye belandele emuva sangena sahamba salala into zama-guerrillas ziyayenzwa sathi singene sesigcwale imotela lana it was now past 6 ntambama kusho ukuthi sifanele sisale sihambe ebusuku singabona ukuthi siyangaphi
Yeah.
nxa sifakwe emoteni lana wawuhlala phansi uyenza so umunye bengena khonapha lilokuzana ilayini yolokuza umunye futhi lapha so kwakule 3 lines sihlele ku-Bedford lapha sikhangele emuva ngayo yayidrayiva nguKlayito Tsiko ifiat idrayiva nguCharles Dabulaman chaya safika ebhoda eNtunduru sathola livaliwe safika around 3:30 or so salala laphana just some few minutes ilanga labe liphuma njengamadoda ayengahambile amapassport bayiphonga ukuvulela ukuzeni ukuthi here comes ama-guerrillas sesingena sasingena safika sahlala sawenza i-breakfast endaweni ekuthiwa yiMbeya ikamba yama Botswana lokuze Tanzania Defense Forces sathola ilunch yethu isapha yethu laphana including ilunch sasihlala lapha sasuka laphana sadriver sawafika eMgagawu old Mgagawu.
Yeah. So this is still 1974.
I-74 yena le.
Yeah.
Safika laphana i-74 no sesiyongena eLokuzeni lapha yes i-74 savuka kusasa sifuna kula madoda lapha ku-train kwakulo one of Lokuza still recognize kwakulo eLokuzeni Agimba Mbewu the late Major General Chimombe still remember. And then there was Parker Chipowera, still alive in corner place eZimbabwe. Kennedy Taitezi, those were my instructors now.
Yeah.
Kwakulo bani futhi wayekhona lapho kwakulo parents shiri kwakulo Dominic Shineni, now Vice President CGD Chwenga.
Yeah.
Kwakulo former police general uLokuze Uchiuri kwakuthiwa Stephen Chocha. So those were the people engababulela. Salala siku-old Mgagawu lokuza kwakusekwakhwe i-new Mgagawu yayinezitina yayifakwe amagesi and what. So igroup yethu sayithi sahamba sayovulela ukuzeni sasile sahamba safika ngayo sasima-100 and what something 103 or so safika-ke sayohlala kuMgagawu lapha sabe siselekthwa-ke sifakwa kuma-companies ukuthi siza-traina njani. Mina ngangena kuTakawela company yelabantu abangu-201 kwasekuke ikhampani kwakuthiwa Dubula kwasokungena ezinye ezazilandela emuva saqalisa i-political orientation yaphambili i-training yaqalisa. Omunye umuntu ngangikhohlwa ngu-Rex Tichafu siyahambe sayela phambili le-training and then sathi singena ku-March ikuswaza ukufa kuka-Herbert Step ebulalwe yibombu. Mina undoda lwana wangirekruthayo kuthiwa nguDick Chikara, Dick Moyo. Ngiyaqala ukutshaya ibombu, parcel bomb eBotswana. Because inews lezana zakhulunywa. Normally ngingama-guerrillas kufanele ukuthi kube lo munye u-trained personnel ovuka elitshela inews ukuthi kunjani.
Yeah.
Political commissar.
Yeah.
So ukufa kuka
So he updates you. This is what happened.
So ukufa kuka Dick Moyo ngakuzwa sibili because bakukhuluma ukuthi lo ucomrade wayerecruit ama-comrades elokuzeni ukulawa ibombu before Step, and then wahlala amanye ama-weeks, then Step wahle walokuzwa futhi ibombu. Before that uStep wakhuthwa ibombu thina siselusaka into strings.
Yeah.
Balokuza i-parcel bomb yaduka before uStep engakafiki, then ikwazi ukuya le yamvula layo. Kusho ukuthi leyana yathi iduka exactly 2 o'clock wayicanga ukuthi uStep usengene e-ofisini yaduka enengekho, bazomtshayela le wamlokuza phansi kwemota lisenzayo. Yaphambili le training yethu sayiqeda because itakawira yayitrainwa in the sense that nxa iqeda kuphela efane ilandele iye kulokuze kuma-operations, but kwagcina sekubuya i-detant. I-detant is a French word meaning relaxation after a quarrel. So sahle sahlala laphana because into zingizazi zimile.
Yeah.
That is 74. Ku-75 kwabe lama activities amaningi. Sesiqedile i-training sagcina sesenza i-retraining so that sihlale silokuze. Wonke ama-companies agcina sesenza ama-retraining. Lawo lokuzeni labo Zimonti wakwaba ku-prison. Kwahle sefile ukuba kuStep laphana, Comrade Step, kwakhanya ukuthi i-high command yezandla eseZambia yabotshwa yavalelwe nje together le Larry Chumurenga or Supreme Council, babethi Larry Chumurenga or Supreme Council, sebebotshiwe le Zambian government laphana. Kwakhanya i-communication kwaba le communication breakdown. I-trained personnel yayisideploy eZimbabwe by then. They ran out of ammunition. Good part of it, Mozambique was now free, was now independent. So they moved into Mozambique. Bayolokuza iNyathonya.
Yeah.
And then bayolokuza I think bayahamba eThembe. Right, into sonke sezimile akusela ammunition supply in this land. Ama-politicians the other side, they are talking of the ANC umbrella.
Yeah.
Whereby kulo Mzorewa, apha kulo Baba Nkomo, then kulo James Chikerema and Mzorewa. Now, kwaba le incident yayenzekala eMboroma in Zambia, whereby i-Zambian government amasotsha akhona adula amazandla about 30 kwaba labanye ba-5 kunabo. And then the leadership yayisejele yayicabanga ukuthi khona uSithole was going to say something about that one. And uSithole wasithulile. Then kwabe le visit yayenzwa lama leaders e-ANC, uBaba Nkomo, uSithole, uShikerema, lo Mzorewa babuye eMgagawu. Bebeya bezolokuza bezo-briefer ama-guerrillas about what next.
Yeah.
Now that we're in the ANC umbrella.
So at lapho elikhona eMgagawu, do you have zebras or it's just
No, zebra iseMorogoro.
Okay.
Lapha isidla izandla kuphela.
Yeah.
Sizafika esikhathini zakulokuza ukuthi khona ama-zebra asazohlangana njani. uSithole kuye laphana labanye bakukhuluma baqeda. And then i-leadership yelokuzeni yezandla yayikhona laphana uRex Nongo uGeneral Mjiwa bathi abanye beboshwa lapha naye nowabali kwabuya ngapha eMgagawu. So he was there. Bahlala phansi bathi look lapha uSithole ubuye be under ANC umbrella. So asikwanisanga sikhulume laye. Let us send ama-comrades angu-4 bahambe bayokhuluma laye. Basitshele ukuthi khona what is the way forward now that we are in detente. Bathumezela kwahamba uPhaka Chipoera, James Nyikazinashe, Tendai Peperere, and Godwin Lambo. Bahamba bemfo. Bafika bayobona uSithole. uSithole already wayele within a prison ngale babekhona eZimbabwe Rhodesia. Kukhanya i-Central Committee engasangenelani noSithole. So uSithole was now aware ukuthi khona i-Central Committee ngangelayo ngapha into abayenze ejele lana ngizwisisa. So wathi efika eLusaka i-teamed up lwabo Noel Mkolo. Noel Mkolo they were now suspended because of their kwakungezwisikale ukuthi kwahamba njani lana. Noel Mkolo lo Sithole they are from the same area. So uSithole uzama ukuthi khona akhulume ukuthi what happened lo Mkolo bakhuluma ekwabo labo Matauri what if. So amadoda lana athunywe abangu4 labana befike eLusaka labana bafika babona ubaba uSithole. No sibele indaba enjenje. What is the way forward president ngala kwanisanga ukukhuluma lawe because wabuya labanye and bathi sasifuna ukuthi lokuze uSithole wabe sithi no I understand lokuze likhuluma kuhle siwe but khulumani lo Noel Mkolo lezana ezivele eMgagawu manje sahle zathi. But comrade president, I think indaba kaNoel Mkolo was suspended from the lokuze. Singahlokuzana wabe lana wa emphasize ipoint la ngithe mina hambani liyobona uNoel Mkolo likhulume laye. Bazalitshela ukuthi sitheni. We have already sorted out everything. Lana madoda lawa baba suspicion. But lapho president uthini la. Sabe zisuka zibe zingu4 sabe siya kulabana basejele. Wabonana labo comrade Tongo Gara, Lugare Gumbo, Matuko Amadziripi, labo kumbira ikangai. Khuluma labo tuna. Right. Bazodoba information ukuthi phela kulabantu abalilandelayo bafuna ukulikhephisha la. Lana labangu4 laba.
Yeah.
Babehamba le Land Rover light blue, I still remember. Asinikwe OAU Liberation Committee. It was still brand new. Bathi sibe discover babethi nxaba ngalala khona apha bachinje bahamba welala somewhere uze bayotshela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi balikhephishe bathatha imota le babe selokuzane wazathatha omunye one of you bahamba la bachingisa ukuthi umgaka kuhamba njani. So within that 4 omunye wabo defected. That was Godwin Mlambo.
Yeah.
Basala sewu3. uGordon Mlambo teamed up le lo Noel Mkolo and the others. Those 3 bashabona ukuthi madoda lapha we are no longer safe.
Yeah.
What driver waphenduka kwabe eMgagawu wabe abasibrief. Bakala babrief high command le general staff, this is what happened. Omunye sikhambela uhle wasala uGordon Mlambo. Then ama-officers aseMgagawu, then they come out with a document to the Mgagawu document.
That's the Mgagawu declaration.
Yeah. Ukuthi khona into yenziwa ngupresident le yasayizwisisi. Sasicabanga ukuthi khona uzadenounce enziwa into yenziwa iZambian government. So dutshula abantu ama-guerrillas abana sangene enza anything. Sasicabanga futhi uzasizwisisa into esikhulumayo but ukhanya is now doing something which is not expected from the president. Again, sesitshele ukuthi khona thina khathesi ngifuna ukuyobona umntana mogulayo ose-America. labo bantu bathi no ndoda is not serious, I'm the struggle. Just at denounce ukuthi wena uzokhuluma indaba kuyobona umntana.
So if I can just take you a bit, Banaputi, these guys they were shot. What were the circumstances? Mazandla was shot by the Zambian soldiers.
Kwaba the misunderstanding. Kwaba the kule abafana bezipra babuya befuna ku recruiter from Amazandla lana.
Yeah.
Anti we under lokuzeni. Vale restriction la ukuthi abaphume enkambeni.
Yeah.
Ngani high command seyibotshiwe. Le general le central committee seyibotshiwe. I mean, idirect simulenge seyibotshiwe.
Yeah. The Supreme Council.
So i-restriction yamadoda la alifananga liphume enkambeni.
Yeah.
So amazipra bayathi want mobilize from here. Abantu bayala ke manje. But kule one wahambayo kwakuthiwa ngu-Brown bathi wahamba labanye amakazana kuthiwa umchaneta bahamba baya kuziphi. Labanye bayengafuna ukuya ku-front bathi bahamba labaya nemazi. So abanye ba-resista. That is when kwaba le shooting incident leya. Ngoba labanye bathi ningathatha amanye ama-comrades yethu kwaba lokudoselana. Izemveni ukuzeni yathi yadukuma.
Ati no chemera naka